In this video, we will solve some more sums based on the centroid of the triangle. Now he's saying that find the coordinates of the centroid of triangle PQR whose vertices are given, right? So this will be a sort of practice sum so that we understand what is a centroid. Alright, so this is my triangle PQR. The coordinates of P are 6 and 3. The coordinates of Q are -2 and 5. And the coordinates of R are -1 and 7. Now, we know that the centroid is a point where all the medians of the triangle meet. Right? So this is G. And how do we calculate the centroid, coordinates of centroid? It's always calculated as x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Alright. Now, this is my x1, this is my y1, this is my x2, this is my y2, this is my x3 and this is my y3. Now, let me calculate the x coordinate first. What will be that? x1 plus x2 plus x3. It will be 6 minus 2 and -1 divided by 3. And then y coordinates 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7 divided by 3. So this becomes 6 minus 3 divided by 3 and this becomes 15 upon 3. This is 3 by 3 and this is 5. So this is 1 and 5. So what are the coordinates of centroid? I told you that centroid is represented by capital G. So you have to write G, the coordinates of G are 1 and 5. Right? Now, in the next sum, find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians. Now you see, sometimes the question may be asked in a twisted manner. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians. So you have to understand that the point of intersection of the medians is the centroid itself, right? So the point where all the medians meet is the centroid itself. So this is your G, right? And the vertices of the triangle are given -7 and 5, B is given -1 and -3, C is given 5 and 7. So how do we calculate the coordinates of centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So have you understood the difference? Sometimes directly the word centroid will be given to you. At times the point of intersection of medians of the triangle. So you have to understand that that is a centroid itself. So this is my x1, this is my y1, this is my x2, this is my y2, this is my x3 and this is my y3. So let me substitute the values. x1 is -7, x2 is -1, x3 is +5 divided by 3 and what is my y1? 5, y2 is -3 and y3 is +7 divided by 3, right? So this becomes 8 minus 8 plus 5 is -3 by 3 and 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 3 is 9 by 3. So your G is -1 and 3, right? Okay. Now, one more type of a sum based on the centroid itself, but slightly different. He's saying that this time he has given us the coordinates of the centroid, right? So, I have a triangle like this and the points are A, coordinates are 1 and -6. B is having the coordinates -5 and 2. And C C. I'm not given the coordinates of C. Let me suppose this as X and Y. Let the coordinates of C be X and Y. And the coordinates of G, centroid, are given as -2 and 1. Now using this, I have to find the coordinates of C. Now, as I know that this centroid is equal to X, this plus this plus this divided by 3. So this will become my X1, this will become my X2, and this is my X3. Right? So -2 is equal to 1 plus X minus 5 divided by 2. Because this is the centroid and it's equal to X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3, X coordinate. So if I cross multiply, I will get -4 equals to -4 plus X. Right? So if I shift this here, it will become -4 plus 4 equal to X. So my X coordinate will be 0. Right? Now, then Y coordinate. So this is equal to Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3. Right? Oh, here it is 3. We made a mistake. That's why 3. When I multiply, okay, let me cut this. So if I multiply this, this will become -6 is equal to -4 plus X. If I shift this to this side, I'll get -6 plus 4 equal to X. So my X is equal to -2. X coordinate, I have found -2. Now my Y coordinate, which is 1, is equal to Y1 plus Y2, this is my Y2, plus Y3 divided by 3. So what is my Y1? -6. What is my Y2? Plus Y. And what is my Y3? Plus 2 divided by 3. You have to be very careful here. The way I made mistake here, you should not make mistakes. 3 into 1 is 3 equal to -4 plus Y. If I shift this 4 to this side, this will become 3 plus 4 equal to Y. So my Y is equal to 7. So I have found the coordinates of C as -2 and 7. Done.